All right, we have a Lance 2021 Lance 1995, 24 feet long. Kaylee and I have not looked much into Lances. I don't know why. I think it was because it seemed like a lot of them didn't have slides. But I know that there's a lot of people who love them. And we walked into this thing. For one, the air conditioning's on, which is a nice plus. But it's just cool looking. Like, I would compare this to Airstream, like the way it feels real high end. So, the wood color is nice. It's got lots of little amenities everywhere. I feel like it looks like a pool hall, the way this leather is.
It's super comfortable.
Super plush.
I love it.
Like everything's ornate. It's got the lights hanging up above. There's a clock, a little bit of storage. The bed is a queen, but it just looks so roomy in there. You have your divider here. TV in here. I can't make this TV move, but I'm pretty sure it's got like an articulating back piece so that it spins to face the dinette. Yeah, it's just really pretty. Lots of space. Like all these little added pieces. The refrigerator handle's broken, but I'm sure they will be fixing that. A little bit of space there. Tiny microwave. Oh yeah, I got. Look at all this storage here also. That's like a full-on storage you'd have in your house. More clothes storage. That's the easy latch stores. You got a mirror. I know a lot of RVs don't have mirrors. That size especially. Second mirror. It's got a tiny corner shower. Probably not a problem for most people. Plenty of room for the toilet. I love how deep this is. I mean, you can't tell, but I'd say it's probably 8 to 10 inches deep. Space underneath. Just overall, like the lights, everything's really nice. I love it. Oh, there's storage here too. I haven't even looked at because the handle's broken, but it's lit on the inside with an LED light. It's great. I like the dark stone looking. For your, for anything I guess, but your silverware and stuff. This thing's pretty good. I'll have to start paying more attention to Lances. Look, even that, it's just nice. And because I'm tall, when I hit my forehead every single day, it'll be fine. What do you think? We getting it? No, maybe the next one. All right, on to that.